Aw, these dumplings are so cute. Of course, noodles come in all shapes and sizes. But when it comes to dough, some of us have a need to knead. Wow, now that's what I call a 1-ton wonton. Well, that just means there's more to squish. Dumplings come in all sorts of shapes and colors. Like transparent, or rainbow, or both, apparently. Either way, it's a jiggly little puff. No relation. Uh-oh, there was a reason he was all tied up. What's gonna happen to his bubbly personality? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Or filled. Aw, these guys grow up, or blow up, so fast, don't they? A lot of our friends are in the mood for dumplings. So you're saying that there's a business for them? Seems like the perfect time to try out our new dumpling vending machine. Gotta love the world of supply and demand. But don't forget, it's what's on the inside that counts. Like our special mechanism. And some mini dumplings wouldn't hurt. Why don't we try the tried and true rainbow model? One in each color. After all, it worked for SpongeBob's pretty patties. Couldn't be easier. Pull the lever and you get a treat. Okay, Sonic. Want to be our first victim? Wontons are nice, but sometimes all you need's a nice gumball. After all, what goes in sometimes comes out with a bang. Especially when it's time to go pop. And there's a special surprise in this bubble. A little bow. A pillowy steamed bun. Aw, it's a baby bow, and it's about to blow. Everything and anything is improved with glitter. Ah, green and gold. Such rich colors. But why don't we go and share the wealth? Cream-filled dumplings? Donuts, maybe. Oh, look. Our platinum bunny wants to help. And nothing beats freshly squeezed. What are we making exactly? A silly goo? A slimy stew? Well, whatever it is, we know that it's going places. It's filling, which means it has to fill something. Ah, funnels. Is there nothing they can't do? Just tie it up nice and tight. And put on a happy face. On the dumpling, of course. But smile if you want to. Either way, congrats on your bouncy baby ball. Ooh, are we searching for buried treasure? Quick, get the sift! There's gold in them thar sand. Even better, we've got a baby bunting dumpling. Always wondered where they came from. Wash it off. In fact, you could use a bath. You know what that means? Bubbles. A loofah won't hurt either. Wow, you're ruby red! Let's hope some witch doesn't make shoes out of him. Wow, a safe. Probably shouldn't show your code on screen. After all, we've got a real treasure inside. It's another dumpling? Ugh, she doesn't seem too happy. I mean, I guess you've had your fill so far. Don't worry. I know something that'll cheer you up. Our friends have returned to keep you company. Or add some flavor to these dumplings, whichever comes first. We're really on a roll. I wonder what's inside. Blocks! Well, what'd you expect? Dumplings? Come on, we always keep our audiences guessing. Besides, we can still use them to make a dumpling. I think. Better crank out the magic wand. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Ha! Voila! A parfait dumpling! Wow, a dumpling Happy Meal! And what speedy delivery! Is that a slice of cheese? Well, it sure is stretchy. Well, when life gives you cheese, make cheeseburgers. And we like our buns nice and squishy, just like our dumplings. Any takers? Oh, Derpy's always here to help. Especially when it comes with a free lunch. Wait, the napkin! Yes! It looks like inspiration strikes! Cut it into a circle, fold like a fan, and run a needle and thread through it. Stuff it up with some, well, stuffing, and pull that thread. No one's, not even dumplings, complete without a smile. You can never have too much fun squishing. And you can never have enough dumplings. Gotta love when they come in blind bag form. Oh, it looks like we've got a set of wrappers. I guess that means there's some assembly required. I wonder if we get to supply our own filling. Well, guess that makes it easy to customize. You know the drill. Put on a happy face. But let's mix things up with a little wink. Always remember, the best dumplings are made with love. SpongeBob's here to see Patrick. Ooh, looks like he's out jellyfishing. Hold on, he must have forgot his hands. Is that his head? Oh, no, that's it over there. Keep looking until we find his pants next. Oh, don't worry. We can always rebuild him. Looks like this star will rise again. You can tell this is SpongeBob's luggage. It's got his face on it. All his stuff's got his face on it. And yet, his luggage still goes missing! It's such a shame to lose good slime. And it's important stuff from Goo Lagoon, too. The best part is when we've got all the colors collected. You can use it to make a bright, shiny rainbow. Why don't we give it a nice massage? Uh-oh, the colors are blending! Add something on top. Ah, is there anything that glitter can't fix? Mix it together, and what have you got? I'm not sure, but it kind of looks like a pumpkin. Until you open it up, and it's Sponge Block. Which means Patrick isn't too far behind. And look, we've even got Mr. Krabs. The gang's almost here. Oh boy, it's 3 a.m. You know what that means. It's time for a delicious Krabby Patty. Would you like Krabby fries with that? Open up, Patrick. SpongeBob made it with love. Nothing but the best for his best friend. And there's always room for dessert. Don't know why, but strawberry made him think of you. Something to wash it down. I think he could use a wet wipe. Next, SpongeBob wants to play with a cardboard puzzle. Let's speed things up with a little karate! Next up, collect all of these pieces and stack them up together. It's just what we need to finish our special diorama. It's really nice, but it could use some colors. Yellow for SpongeBob. And pink for Patrick. Of course, we need to make sure to spread it around, too. Looks like a job for our trusty paintbrush. Make sure to clean it, or Patrick will end up orange. Don't forget a little white for the eyes. Plus some baby blues. Wow, it's almost like they're springing to life. Ooh, look at all of this colorful sand. About time Squidward made an appearance. He sure likes to make an impression, doesn't he? Now it's Mr. Krabs. Hope he doesn't charge us for this. Of course, we can't forget the star of the show. And we're not talking about Patrick. We mean SpongeBob. But don't worry, we haven't forgotten SpongeBob's best friend. Still, I think it's time we put our personal stamp on things. Actually, there's all sorts of things we can do with our friends. Though they might not keep in one place. Don't worry, we can always make more of them. Well, as long as we keep those cookie cutters. Okay, that was fun. But you know what's more fun? Why, it's bringing everybody together. In fact, we're gonna need a big mold for this next job. This SpongeBob's got a little bit of everyone inside him. But why don't we help him with these bubbles? You know how SpongeBob makes everything a party, especially when bubbles are involved. Oh, look, Patrick sure could use a shave. Well, at least he looks better than he smells. Here, lie back, relax, and we'll give you a wash. Water won't do much on its own. Well, a sponge has gotta do what a sponge has gotta do. Just lather, rinse, and repeat. Seriously, repeat. And soon, our old Patrick is back. Yeah! Look, it's a mini SpongeBob. And he's ready, he's ready, he's ready. Ready to start spinning, complete with light show. SpongeBob is a real party animal. Just wait until he does the bunny hop. But now, it's time for him to hit the floor. Ah, Gary's always been so supportive of him.